Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Vamsi Reddy, and today in this video we are going to discuss about one of the last data type in Python, that is known as a set. So set is quite different from the other one because sets have like unique elements, or it can't able to allow the duplicates also. So how we can define the set means by using the curly brackets, and each of every item is separated by the comma. So sets are used to store the multiple data types in a single variable, and set is a unordered, and it's not because set don't have any order to follow, and it is immutable and do not allow any duplicate elements also. So after that, sets provide like it's provide a variety of methods, commas to separate like operations like union, intersection, difference, and many more is there. So firstly, let me show you how to create the sets. So simply I write a fruits equals to and open with the curly brackets apple, banana, and orange. The three items are stored in this element like in a fruits, that is in the representation of a set. So another one is we can convert the list into the set by using like this numbers equals to set. I'm pausing that list of items and it is converted into set. See, the output is defined like a each and every element is separated by comma, as well as the curly brackets also open. This is a conversion of one format to another format by using the data type. Like simply we use the data type, which type of data we need to convert. Okay, let's print the fruits. This is the output of my set of storing in the fruit, the variables which are stored. So if you want to create a empty set, simply we can pass this empty set equals to like set dot using like parenthesis, we can pass the empty set. So previously I told you like sets are not allowed duplicates, right? Let me show you an example that clearly you can understand. Okay, numbers equals to 2, 4, 6, 6, 2, 8, 8, 3. Some of the things have been here. The 2 is repeated multiple times, 6 is repeated multiple times, 8 is repeated multiple times, right? So when I am going to print this data, so the set does not allows the duplicate. See, the outputs is 2, 3, 4, 6, 6, 8, 9. So duplicates numbers are not be getting as an output. If you forcefully insert a duplicate numbers also, it can't able to take because the set does not allow any duplicates. That is the reason why duplicates is not allowed. Okay, this is the things. So next we are going to update, add and update the items in a set using Python. Like previously we told you that sets are then mutable. So we can able to add, update anything, but they have an order. So index as there is no meaning for the indexing. Okay, there is an order. So for example, adding an item to this set by using add method, simply I have taken a numbers equals to 21, 34, 54, 12, 67, 87, 90. These are the numbers I have taken. I am going to add by using the add method. I am going to add 35. See, initially if I going to add 35, the 35 is added somewhere here. There is no particular order is there. See now you also look out that initially what we have given the input like 21, 34, 55, but what we get an output 34, 50, 67, 35. This is the thing we added here. So there is a like it contains like unordered this, right? So the data is not be in order format, so because like that only it's an order. So sometimes it will show some of the unordered order also. So for the like low simple letters or simple numbers, it will show like 1 to 5, it will show an order only, because we know that 1 to 5. If you go for the big one like the big digits, it will show an order only. That's why we said that set is an order. So and the second method is updating set. Okay, by using the updating method we can update the set in items and collect into the like different type of collections like the string, tuple, list. Okay, here the companies, here the example is companies equals to Microsoft Technologies. I have taken the two companies, and tech companies equals to Apple, Google, Apple. I am passing the 2 times that Apple, right? So if we use the update the companies is a keyword, sorry, it's a variable. I am updating the companies dot update. I am updating the tech companies, right? I am updating the tech companies to the tech companies. When I am going to print the companies, I get Google, Microsoft, Apple, Technology. But when we pass the forcefully to Apple companies, but it shows only one because duplicates are allowed in this format. So that's why it's showing like that. Okay. And after that, removing element from the set. So how to remove the element from the set? We have two methods. One is discard and another one is remove. Simply, if you use the remove also, it can be go from the set. And some of the stylishness, if you want to use any method like a discard, it is also used to remove the elements. So here the example. Here the language equals to shift Python Java, right? Java Python. So I am using simple remove. Firstly, I will let me show you simple remove. Removed value equals to language dot remove. I am removing the Python. Check it. The Python is removed, right? Left after the remove is this is the language. So what if I go for the discard for one of the stylish method? If I go for the discard of Java, that means the Java is removed from the set. See, simply it's remove that. There is no differences between the discard and remove. Same working is same, but the word is different. That's it. There is only the difference between these two. Working is both are the same. This both works like same, but the word we pronounce like here we use the method like a discard. Here the method we use like a remove. Okay. And after that, let me show you to find the length of string, how many characters presented, like how many numbers are presented. So to find the length of a set, even numbers equals to 2, 4, 6, 12, here 12, 14, 12, 16, 18. So when I apply the length method, it will count the each of the numbers. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have a 10 elements placed in a set, but when I apply the length method, we get only 9, because here the 12 is a default, like repeated 2 times, right? 12 is repeated 2 times. So set does not allow the duplicate values, right? That's why it shows like that. Okay, 12 only one time it's repeated, not a double time. Okay, this is a simple methods and functions and remove updating methods in sets. If you go for some of the advanced, like in the sets only some of the advanced, that is the operations, like in set it is provided the default like built-in operations, perform the mathematical operations like union, intersection, subtraction is known as a difference, and semantic differences. First we discuss about the union. If you apply any operation, we require 2 sets. 2 sets is compulsory, so it requires 2 sets. And if you apply the union, it shows that union means simply combine all the elements. Okay, combine all elements and remove the duplicates. Combine all the elements and remove the duplicates. Here the example: C equals to 1, 3, 5, D equals to 0, 2, 4. Okay, when I apply, there is a 2 types of method to apply the union method. You can use this symbol, straight slash symbol. If you use this straight slash symbols also, it is represented as a union, or if you want to go for the method, it will be dot union method. Okay, if you apply both, it will give the same output. See, if you go for the apply, it will be same output. Okay, after that we go for this set intersection. Set intersection between the 2 variables, it will give only the intersection, means like here only the common elements present between A and B. Here the pink highlighter is right? So this pink highlighter is the output. When we apply A and B, both the common elements, what are the common elements present in the set A, set B, that will get the output. Let's go for the practical. A, B, I am taking the set A 1, 3, 5, 8, 4, 0, whereas a B 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 4. These are the 2 sets I have taken. So I am using the intersection. For the intersection, you can use A and B, like it's an ampersand symbol, and symbol, or you can go for the method like insert method. Okay, intersection method. You can use any of them. So let me check, is there any common? Yeah, in A we have 1, B also we have 1, 3 we have 1, B also 3 has, and 5, yeah, 5, A is also contain 5, B also contain 5, 8 is not present. Next 4, yeah, 4 is present. Next 0. So except 8 and 2, remaining things all will become, right? These are the things, outputs. If you run again, it will show the same output only. See, if we add any new elements to the things, so for suppose I add a 2, 7, 9, right? Here 9, that's it, 9, 56. So see, it will show the what are the common elements present the things when you added the things also. Same the intersections was like that. It will only provide the common elements between the set A and set B. Okay, and the next one is differences between the two sets. It shows like differences like A minus B. If you apply the A minus B, in the A, B values will be removed and A values only will be the output. Like see here, if the set A and set B, if we apply the set A minus B, it will remove all the B values and only give the A values. If we apply the B minus A, it will remove all the A values which are present in the B and gives only the B values. Like that, this operation works. Okay, that means the preference is the first one which you have, like A minus B or B minus A, which is the first is the most preference when you compare to another one. So here the example is AB. I am using the AB. So A is equals to 2, 3, some of the values, sets of values I have taken. So the difference like using A minus B is a simple thing. Difference is A minus B. If you apply A minus B, the elements which are present, B values which are present in A, that will be removed, and remaining elements which are present in A, that will be getting output. So see here 2, 3, 5, 9, 0, 4. When I apply A minus B, 2 will be removed from the A. Yeah. So 4 will be removed. Remaining elements will be get out like 0, 9, 3, 4, right? Remaining elements. So there is a two types of methods apply. We can A minus B directly apply, or we can apply the difference method, A dot difference method. This is also one more type of method you can apply. We get in the same outputs. So what will happen if we apply B minus A? So the values which are contained in a B, that will be removed, and the B like A values which are present in a B, that will be removed, and we get only the B values like this. Okay, same. If you cross check with this, you will get the same things. And the next and final one is semantic difference. So when we apply the semantic differences between the two sets, it will remove the common elements present in the A and B, and you will get only the uncommon elements from like A and B. You get uncommon elements. Okay, here the example, A equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 something, and B equals to 1, 2, 6, 4, 9. If we apply A, it's a cap, symbol is cap. In your keyboard at 6, keyboard in 6, in the position of 6, you get a cap method. To get this, you need to enter shift plus 6, you will get this. If you apply the cap operation here, that means it is a semantic difference, or you directly go for the function method. Okay, directly go for the method, that is semantic difference. If apply, it will give the remove all the common elements between the A and B and give the uncommon elements. This is the working of semantic differences. This is all about your set. I hope you are all understand this set concept. So if you have any doubts, please make a comment. I will try to answer the questions. Thank you. Bye.